Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set time to day in Hytale. Now, the first thing I want you to do is go ahead and press / on your keyboard. It will open up the command menu, and then from here I want you to just type in a time, and you can set any time for the day. So let's say you want it to be 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. So if you want it to be 9 a.m., just go ahead and type in the number 9. After you leave a space after / time, leave a space, type in 9, and then I want you to just press enter. Now, as soon as you do that, as you can see, set time in world to that time right there, and now it is 9 a.m. in the world. And that is how to set time to day in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.